How to fix Lively wallpaper not working. So if you want to fix your Lively wallpaper not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply press Windows and R keys together. And here, you need to enter a command, which is system properties performance.exe and hit the enter. And you will get this kind of interface. Now check the animate control and elements inside Windows. Option is checked. If it is not checked, then check. If it is already checked, then just simply go and uncheck. And after a few seconds, again check it back on and then click on apply and OK. If the error still persists, then try the next step. You need to close the Lively app completely. You need to close that from your taskbar as well. Right click on your task manager, the taskbar, and then go with the task manager. Here you will have the Lively wallpaper. You need to right click on it and then just simply go with end task. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply press Windows and I keys together, which will open up your settings. From settings, you need to go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with installed apps, and here you need to search for Lively wallpaper. After that, click on the advanced options, and from here you need to turn on the option of background apps. Scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of reset. You need to just simply go with repair and then reset. And after doing these steps, you need to go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.